Hi, it's Nickis. Today I want to share just not a product launch. It's not about to sell them to about a video. Any product launch. This is also some idea that I found this in this day today. And other than most of the internet marketer will tell you the first priority is to build your list. What is to build your list is your email list, because if you have your email list, it also has and is your asset. Nobody can steal from you. That is, if you have you will have a YouTube subscriber and a Instagram follower, and also as well as if you have a set up fan page and also have some a bunch of the fans on your fan page. No matter how big your follower, if you because all of the social media platform can shut down your account, and then some of them are marketers. They will not know what is exactly the reason why they shut down their account on social media platform, and also others and other platforms such some blog they will and also some Facebook group they will ban their account. They cannot try to rejoin this group. But the most important thing for all of online marketers is to build your list. Other than the build your list, I found this is also and other my second and also is more so important is to build our WordPress site. And I found this platform, this my product. This is also launched about this is launched on February. This year February. The beginning of the February. It's about February. This product. I found this is very powerful because and you can see that in this sales page. This is also teach you how to build your affiliate marketing or also the WordPress training is how to build your own website. If you have your website and you can and benefit you can to build your brand. When somebody come to the website, you have to show them everything about yourself. You can and introduce about yourself. What is the expectation they will when they come to your website. And also at the same time, when you come to your website, you can show them what you are going to give your content. This is also very important. Other than to hard sell them, when they show more, when you show more information, that is helpful. This is also very helpful. And such as a product launch, this auto review. This how they will know what is exactly this product. What is the pro and cons, and also what is the price as well, and also. And if you want to purchase, if you have to give them an honest review and also the opinion, they will want to buy this. If you also and although it's very important, if you can and give them a very exclusive bonus, then they will buy from you. So this is not only for just for my make money online. You can tap into different niches. If you want, just I have my YouTube channel. I also included the product launch about Warrior Plus and JV. So this also both focused on make money online and internet marketing. But they have. But you are not this you are interested in this niche. You can have many other niche. If you tap into the ClickBank is free to join, and you can when you sign up for free and tap into that, you have so much product that you can promote. Why is also I highly recommend that you can take a look with this product because they will teach you how to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, if you are new and no idea what is the affiliate marketing, is it also you has just place yourself as the middleman, and you can to sell this product on behalf of the vendor. And when someone buy this product, and you will get commission. Some of them jewelry plus and all JB soon and WordPress most of the vendor most of the affiliate will pay you 50% commission when you come to Kickbanner. Most of the product they will give you 75% if you are super affiliate and what is the super affiliate? Most of the super affiliate on Kickbanner, if you have for example, if you have a super affiliate, they make a sale for a month over 1,000 or even 2,000 a sale in a month, it will upgrade your commission to 90%, and also some of them will 100% on the front end, and also they also have a black and upsell and downsell. Follow upsell and downsell, you will not only the 75%, it will upgrade to up to 90%. This is also very and awesome. If you just promote this start from affiliate marketing, you don't have to handle customer service. Why I highly recommend you can take a look with it because this is also to take a look at what is the affiliate marketing and also the how to build your WordPress. When I go through this sales page, this is also they have some customer testimonial and you will perfect for affiliate marketer. This is also SEO. SEO, this is also how to optimize your organic traffic from the Google. You will, and what is the AI go through this is also they will include the three important thing you can know is affiliate marketing. This is also how to what is affiliate marketing, how does it go if you are new, and how to get approved for this affiliate network, how to find profitable niche. This is not a niche out over the market. And also they will come with WordPress training, and WordPress training if you have never build your website, they will learn how to about how to buy your domain hosting, how to control panel, how to write a SEO the product review, and also how to cook your affiliate link and your banners, and also to how to monetize your website. And also they will come with affiliate marketing WordPress theme. You will have some and you will in variety of logo background and you can choose from and also they will have some banner they already banned just ready to go, and just put your affiliate ID and you would make some money and we will start to make money because this is not a get rich program. It will teach you what is the affiliate marketing and combine it how to build your WordPress website. And the most important thing you will consistently to put in effort and also after a certain period of time and you will get to see the result. They will more organic traffic come to your website, build your list and also build your relationships with the visitor, and then when they like and trust you they will buy your recommendation and you can see this is also and how much money they make and the ranking in SEO, the commission for selling health supplement and also recurring commission. This is also get when you promote it once and you will get paid 1 month after month and you can see the this or graph how what is the ranking and the money and this is also a screenshot of Kickbanner, and you can see that there is also baby and also they will also come with done for you the famous from the niche shop this in the inside the members area, and also I will go through and also and I will later and go through the members area what is inside the members area that they have included in the next in the coming video. They also have over 15 done for you niche based WordPress theme that is ready to go. Everything is inside it also included the high quality logo stock article contact pop in everything inside of it. You just need to how to pop in your buy a domain buy your domain and also to connect with this done for you the theme. It will save you time and money save you many time and also this is also save you money you can see that this some of the sample they listed in the sales page and also you will and also they have included a demo video. It's also a 3 minutes that the vendor will walk you through this is a very rough what you put what's inside the members area and you can see some of the sample it also has some exclusive bonus for when you come to that. You also have over a massive list of 50,000 the top niche keyword. This is also affiliate perfect for affiliate marketing, local marketing, or also for new niche. And also if you want to try it for sale, most of it you will have 30-day money guarantee. It is just for $17. I highly recommend that you can take a look with it. And also I will post the link under in the description below. Simply click the link below in the description. The first link they will come to my this sales page. You can take a look at what is inside in the sales page. They also have some come with about free upsell. Let's take a look what is their upsell as well. There's only a free upsell. The first upsell is about the SEO strategy. Remember, you will the first upsell is $47, and you will get how to SEO. This is also to how to attract organic traffic. And the upsell number 2 is about another. This is also a very secret strategy. It's about a coupon strategy. The upgrade is also another $47 upsell and other twice upsell. It is also to tell you secretly how to get the buyer for your affiliate. Even if you don't want to, this is also a very, as I can see, this is a coupon strategy, a secret method. They will. I think this is also to keep a coupon, give away coupon in order to adjust if they just try to leave your website. Coupon. I just want to purchase them before give a coupon. So, and then the last upsell, that is the final upsell. This is also how to get a complete connection of done for you the WordPress theme and all future theme with come with commercial license. This is also a the last upsell is about $297, but you will come to the over 16 done for you niche WordPress theme. This is everything is done for you. I mentioned it before. They will always have SEO, every already loaded content, professional logo and stock photo. Everything inside you can grab it. If you grab this product and when this product and you will inside the members area and you will purchase for $5 for each website. If you don't buy this, if you purchase this because it will less than $5 with just for each this WordPress website with exclusive bundle and also you will. Because if you don't get this, you will also come of a downsell. This is also a personal. It's about I'm not exactly number what is it's about $147. I'm not exactly this is also you will come of a downsell. But so also if you don't want to spend too much money and you will inside the member area, you can also instant access it for this done for you the theme and also the WordPress. But you have to pay much more money. Not only under $5, less than $5, you will have to pay $15 for each one of them. But it is also up to you. And also in this video I'm going to show you what's inside what is the sales page, what is this product, and also they have included this free upsell as well. So and anyway I have I also want to give you just for idea it's time to build your website and also to build your brand. And also I have here and I wish all of them have a happy Black Friday. So and hope you will get like to and subscribe to my channel and I coming a video that will inside what you put inside the members area as well. And hope you will like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.